Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your EasyTech washing machine. First, open the door and load your clothes, making sure not to overfill the drum. Aim for about 3/4 full. Next, locate the detergent dispenser drawer, usually found on the front panel, and add your chosen detergent. Always follow the detergent's instructions for the correct amount. Finally, turn the dial or press the buttons to select the wash cycle that best suits your laundry. Choosing the right wash cycle is crucial for optimal cleaning and fabric care. For your everyday laundry, like cotton shirts and mixed items, the normal cycle is usually the best choice. If you're washing more fragile garments, such as silk blouses or lace, select the delicate setting to ensure gentle treatment. For very dirty clothes or robust fabrics like jeans, the heavy-duty cycle provides a more powerful wash. Understanding detergent and water temperature is key to great results. If your machine is a high-efficiency model, always use high-efficiency detergent to avoid excessive suds. For most loads, especially colored items, cold water is an excellent choice as it saves energy and helps prevent colors from fading. However, for whites, towels, or heavily soiled laundry, hot water provides the most effective cleaning and sanitization. Once your wash cycle is complete, remove your clothes promptly to minimize wrinkles and prevent any mildew from forming. For ongoing maintenance, it's a good practice to regularly wipe down the inside of the drum and the detergent dispenser drawer. This helps keep your machine fresh and clean. Also, leaving the washing machine door slightly ajar between uses allows the drum to air dry, preventing odors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.